இறைச்சி கடைகளை திறந்தால் கடும் நடவடிக்கை. முழு ஊரடங்கு வாரத்தில் வீடுகளுக்கே சென்று காய்கறி விநியோகிக்க தமிழக அரசு ஏற்பாடு. காலை 6 மணி முதல் நண்பகல் 12 மணி வரை நடமாடும் வாகனங்கள் மூலம் விநியோகிக்கப்படும் என அறிவிப்பு.
சொல்றது கொஞ்சம் கேளுங்க சார். நான் பச்சாரி யோகா இன்டர்நேஷ்னல் ட்ரஸ்ட் என் மேலே பொய் கேஸ் போட்டு வசூல் பண்ணுறானுங்க நீதிபதிங்க, அட்வொகேட்டு, பார் கவுன்சிலும் கேடி பையன். நான் நிறைய வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன், பாருங்களேன் சார். நீங்கள் யார் சார்? பெரிய
முழு ஊரடங்கை முன்னிட்டு இயக்கப்பட்ட சிறப்பு பேருந்துகளில் 6,60,000 பேர் சொந்த ஊர் பயணம். சென்னையிலிருந்து மட்டும் சுமார் 65,000 பேர் சென்றிருப்பதாக போக்குவரத்து துறை அமைச்சர் ராஜ கண்ணப்பன் தகவல்.
சார், இது வந்து ஃபஸ்ட் கிளாஸான சஜஷன் சார். நீங்கள் பரவாயில்ல சார். ஏடிஎம்கே அந்த ஆள் யார், எடப்பாடி செத்து போன மாதிரி ஆகிட்டேன் சார். எருவ மாடு ஆகிட்டேன் சார். நான் 30 வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன் சார். திருமங்கலம் ஜட்ஜஸ் 4 ஜட்ஜஸும் வேஸ்ட்டு, கரப்ஷனு, நெப்போட்டிசம், குரூப்பிசம், பங்கு, லஞ்ச பங்கு, இத்தனை வீடியோ போட்டிருக்கேன் சார். அது மேலே கொஞ்சம் ஆக்ஷன் எடுங்களேன் சார். சீஃப் மினிஸ்டர் ஸ்டாலின் சார், மிஸ்டர் ஸ்டாலின். நானும் தெருப்பொறுக்கி கிடையாதுங்க. என் வீட்டுக்கு 2 லாக் போட்டு சார் வீட்டிலே உட்காந்துட்டேன். நிம்மதியாக நல்லா இருக்கு. ஆக்சுவலாக போலீஸ்காரங்களை விட்டா இவன் லஞ்சம் வாங்கினான்னுவான், வாங்கலான்னுவான். சரி, நீங்கள் பேசுங்க சார்.
சென்னையில் முழு பொது முடக்கம் கடுமையான முறையில் செயல்படுத்தப்படும் என மாநகர காவல்துறை தகவல். வாகனங்கள் 2வது முறை பிடிபட்டால் நீதிமன்றத்திற்கு சென்றே திரும்ப பெற முடியும் என எச்சரிக்கை.
சார், நீதிமன்றம்ன்றீங்க. நீதிமன்றத்தில் என்ன நடக்குது சார்? சொல்லுங்க. நீதிமன்றத்தில் என்ன நடக்குது? ஒன்றுமே நடக்கலை. மொத்தம் 30 லட்சம் டைரக்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 30 லட்சம் டைரக்ஷன் கொடுத்தாலும் எல்லாம் இவனுங்க போலீஸ் வந்து லஞ்சம் வாங்குறான். போலீஸ் லஞ்சம் வாங்குறனால அவன் விட மாட்டான். சீனியர் வாங்காதீங்கடா டே என்னவான். இவன் வந்து உள்ளே பங்கு போட்டுக்கிட்டு அவனே சீனியரே ஒழிச்சிடுவானுங்க சார். ஐபிஎஸ் ஆஃபீஸர் என்ன பண்ணுவார்? நைட்டில் வீட்டில் உட்காந்துருக்காரு, தூங்கின்னு இருக்காரு. ஒருத்தன் வீடியோ போடுறான். என்னன்னு கேட்டால் மல்லிப்பூ இது என்னது நைட் குவீன் மணக்குது, வளையல் ஜெல்லுன்னுது பங்களாவில் அப்படின்னு ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டான்னா அவர் என்ன அவர் பாவம். பாருங்கள் சார், எல்லோரும் இதுதான் சார். இந்த போக்ஸா பொய் கேஸில் போட்டு ஆள் அடக்கிறான் சார். Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with additional district municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable ADM Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable ADM to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Polymer S. Anandan and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015, crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020.
It is also for everybody. Yes, because we are interested in the institution. Either myself, my brother, or the VP, or Mr. Rajagopal, or the other advocates, and Mr. Palkanagara, and Mr. N.J.R. Prasad. Everybody is interested in the institution.
May I make a mention that the contempt proceedings, the charges were so far not framed in blood. Before ever Mulad frame of charges, the parties are Mulad inquired. That is the legal charges to be framed, then Mulad.
Now I will pass the order. Please, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes. The last paragraph. We have no fear or hesitation in dealing with the matter and punish the contempt not properly according to law. However, on the facts and circumstances, we are of the view that taking action only against Mr. P. Dharmaraj and Mr. A.K. Ramasamy, the contempt of hearing would not be sufficient to prevent the persist illegal activities, which is going on a number of years after the constitution of Madurai Bench. A suggestion was placed before us by persons interested in the institution to consider concurrent filing of cases at the principal bench or closure of the Madurai Bench for a certain period. Similarly, directions to the High Court administration to prevent illegal activities of certain group of lawyers. Similarly, to decide security arrangement to be made by the Central Uniformed Force. We find it reasonable that Madurai Bench has to be consulted, preferably headed by the Chief Justice, to give a full stop to the illegal activities of certain lawyers acting against the judicial institution, one of the important pillars of democracy, and also against majority of the advocates interested in the profession. When this is directed to place this matter before the Honorable Chief Justice for passing appropriate orders, we feel, I myself feel, that it should be placed before a larger bench to give a quiet test. Because today Mr. Dharmaraj is available, Mr. A.K. Ramasamy is available. Tomorrow some other Kupuswamy or Patrika may be available. But we have no great against this person or any other person. But the institution should function properly. Therefore we need a proper guidelines from the Chief Justice. Yes, for this we need...
Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is part, certified that this trust upholds the Constitution of India and endeavors to maintain value in the high judicial order in India. Further certified that this trust crushes mischievous forces, destroying the said value in high judicial order in India. Shri Bhagavan Vacha Bandhuhu Atma Atmanaha यस्य येन आत्मा एव आत्मना जितः अनात्मनः तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेत आत्मा शत्रुवत्. Thus it is sarcastically narrated in Bhagavad Gita that we should not be the prisoners of fate. If we nourish hatred in our mind, then that hatred will destroy our own self in the first instance. Thus we should endeavor to uphold the value of high judicial order and the Constitution of India. Thus signed by the sole mandate holder, Pachari Yoga International Trust, dated 26th day of January 2020. Pachari Yoga International Trust, that is right. This is to certify that OS 30 of 2014 on file with Additional District Municip Tirumangalam is mollified, illegal, concocted, corrupted and corroded in judicial value, and that Pachari manages to file petition in person to set aside the ex parte permanent injunction in IA number 301 of 2019. This is to certify that this trust places highest esteem in judiciary, and in view thereof praise the Honorable ADM Court at Tirumangalam to forward all documents in OS 30 of 2014 to the Registrar of Vigilance at Chennai, Honorable High Court, before whom the said matter is pending. I have requested learned Renuga, the trainee municip who is posted as a additional district municip, to immediately arrest these two accused for cybercrime, for theft and for short remittance of rent. I don't know what this Renuga BABL madam is going to do about this. In the meantime, I found that one fourth accused, that is plaintiff number 4, is a forged plaintiff in OS 30 of 2014. For committing forgery, S. Murugadas and S. Anandan should be immediately arrested. I don't know what this ADM Amma, that is Renuga, is going to do about this forgery also. Because To spot out this Pargunan, she spent 1.5 years.
Can never be burned nor be dried.
For that, Renuka BABL, ADM Amma says that she is not interested in one case. She is interested in 400 cases. When I approached her with a copy of Bhagavad Gita, when I handed over the Bhagavad Gita, copy of Bhagavad Gita, she should have taken it in the hand. But she refused, saying that she is neutral between the two parties
Touches upon
and she will see the case
continuous thinking.
in merit only. Before she sees the case in merit,
And Krishna elusive
this yes Murugadas and yes Anandan is going to run away
attachment.
because they don't have money to pay the short remittance of rent, that is 13,80,420.
यथा यथा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिः भवति भारतः अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्
Pachari approaches Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Bar Council of India to invoke penal provisions on erring advocates Mr. S. Murugadas of Madurai, Mr. G. Adaikalam and senior advocate S. Namachivayam of Tirumangalam for bribing and judicial trespass in the Honorable ADM Court in OS 30 of 2014. Pachari praised the Honorable ADM to place the accused Kapalur Sitco, Amman Polymer S. Anandan and officials of KIA for crimes in crime number 135 of 2015. Crime number 82 of 2017, and for jumping anticipatory bail of the Honorable Madurai Bench, High Court. Thus signed, Pachari Yoga International Trust, approved senior fellow valuer at the Institution of Valuers, New Delhi, thus dated 25th day of January 2020.
अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्
Again, it is only the ADM Amma who is going to decide the case. We'll find it very difficult, and maybe in the month of May she may be transferred. And I tell you one thing, that if she is transferred, I will file a case with the Supreme Court to dismiss this ADM Renuga BABL also. I want to dismiss this district of Munisif S. Muthukumaravel, who has issued temporary injunction, that is IA number 81 of 2014. I want to file a suit to dismiss Barsat Begum, Muslim judge from Pakistan, for signing some nonsensical letter typed by this gang of advocates. So, please follow the case, my dear friends. Yes, please.
This is a mindless litigation, and it's not a stray case. This kind of litigation goes on in this country every day, in many courts. But I don't understand. I can multiply the examples. If only I'm given time, in the next 10 minutes, I can tell you 10 examples which I dealt personally. It requires a clear policy on the part of the state. When you're talking, private litigants need not have a policy because they are individuals. They have no obligation to the rest of the society, barring moral obligations or legal obligations stipulated by the law. But in the matter of litigation, they don't owe any obligation.
Hello, Mr. Markandeya Katsu. You come to the Twitter. Thank you, my lord. You still remain to be a lord in my heart. Because you tell something about the judges that is very useful to me, my lord. I can openly go and say that District Munisif S. Muthukumaravel is a blind buffalo for issuing concocted, corrupted, mollified, illegal interim injunction number 81 of 2014. And I'm able to say one Muslim judge, woman judge by name Barsat Begum is also an illiterate Muslim judge, and she should be sent to Pakistan for hanging because India will not heed to justice. Especially political parties listen to only injustice and sob in their face for the next election. What is this, my lord, now? Please tell me, my lord. Markandeya Katsu. When order is based on injustice, yes, sir, the order given in my, in a case OS 30 of 2014 is mollified, illegal, concocted, injustice, corrupted. That is OS 30 of 2014. Okay, sir, what is this? When order is based on injustice, disorder is the beginning of justice. Very good. Thank you, my lord. Thank you, my lord. There is no construction without destruction. My lord, all construction is only for destruction, my lord. I have put it in my Pachari Yoga International Trust. You construct something only to destruct. Anyway, it's all right, my lord. I'll tell my High Court judges, learned judges, that my the case foisted on me by my tenant and illiterate, corrupt Advocate Mr. S. Murugadas with enrollment number 2094 of 2003. My lord, Mr. Markandeya Kadju, I want this fellow to be dismissed from the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, sir. Will you help me, sir? I will surrender unto your feet. I don't have a shame.
I find that a vast number of the cases are unnecessarily entertained in the name of public interest. I only wanted to remind ourselves that people who make law also are aware of the public interest. They are also conscious of the public morality. They are also in the knowledge of the constitutional morality. To me, so let us, a judge who hears a case must deliver a judgment preferably within a month, and in any case within 3 months, as has been cautioned by Justice Thomas in the judgment. Not more than 3 months. Then what happens if a judge does not deliver a judgment in 3 months? I would tell the Chief Justice, whether it is Chief Justice of India or Chief Justice of the High Court concerned, should not allocate work to a judge who has judgments pending for more than 3 months.